In the bustling city of Pittsburgh in 1928, a creative spirit named Andrew Warhola entered the world, destined to become the iconic Andy Warhol. Born to hardworking Czechoslovakian immigrants, Julia and Andrej Warhola, Andy's early years were marked by health struggles and an introverted nature, a curious blend of moody and shy. His artistic inclinations manifested early on, guided by a mother who dabbled in floral artistry with an eccentric touch, arranging flowers in Campbell's soup cans, a detail that would later weave its way into the fabric of his artistic narrative. Warhol's journey into the art world faced an unusual interruption during grade school when a slap from a fellow student led him to a 2-year hiatus from formal education. His bond with his mother, Julia, grew stronger during this period, setting the stage for the unique dynamics of their relationship. Homebound due to a nervous system disorder, Warhol discovered a passion for sketching and a love of collecting glossy images of Hollywood stars. Little did he know, these seemingly mundane moments of creativity at home would shape the trajectory of his illustrious career. It was a period of listening to the radio, sketching, and an obsession with movie star images that served as the bedrock for the artistic genius that would emerge from the shy, young Andy Warhol. In the bustling energy of 1950s New York, Andy Warhol's artistic journey evolved from commercial prowess to a groundbreaking force in the world of fine art. His transition from a sought-after commercial artist to a trailblazer in the avant-garde movement of pop art marked a pivotal period in art history. Warhol's early success as a commercial artist saw him creating distinctive blotted line designs that caught the eye of prestigious publications like Glamour, Vogue, and Vanity Fair. His prowess lay not just in his artistic talent, but in the ability to turn art into a lucrative venture. As the 1960s dawned, a seismic shift in the art world was underway, moving away from abstract expressionism. Warhol seized this moment, redefining his identity from a commercial artist to an accomplished painter. The turning point came in 1962, when Warhol exhibited 32 Campbell's soup cans at the Ferris Gallery in Los Angeles. The sheer audacity of using mundane, everyday objects as the subject matter challenged traditional notions of art, sparking a conversation that reverberated across the art world. These soup cans, displayed like a grocery store aisle, became emblematic of Warhol's foray into pop art and his knack for transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. The exhibition was a seismic shift, propelling Warhol to the forefront of the pop art movement. Warhol's pop art was a celebration of consumer culture, celebrity, and the omnipresence of mass media. His approach was radical, infusing art with the vibrancy of popular culture, creating a bridge between high and low art. The iconic Coke bottle paintings, with their clean line designs, further solidified his status as a pioneer in the pop art movement. The 1960s witnessed Warhol's metamorphosis from a commercial artist into an avant-garde painter, setting the stage for a career that would continually push the boundaries of artistic expression. Warhol had not just emerged, he had become the pop art king, leaving an indelible mark on the canvas of contemporary art. Central to Warhol's artistic evolution was the establishment of The Factory in 1964, a studio space where creativity knew no bounds. The Factory was a melting pot of artistic experimentation, attracting a diverse array of personalities, from avant-garde musicians to Hollywood stars. It became a symbol of artistic collaboration and innovation, birthing a new era in the art world. The factory was not merely a physical space. It was an ethos that blurred the lines between commercialism and fine art. Warhol's approach was unorthodox, his studio resembling a production line where art was mass-produced, challenging the very essence of artistic creation. The walls adorned with artificial grocery store displays and a silver-coated ambiance reflected Warhol's fascination with the intersection of consumer culture and artistic expression. Amidst the metallic sheen of the factory, Warhol continued to redefine his artistic identity. His fascination with fame, consumer products, and the allure of modernity manifested in works like Marilyn Diptych and Gold Marilyn Monroe. These iconic pieces immortalized celebrity culture and became emblematic of Warhol's ability to encapsulate the zeitgeist of his era. The factory era was not without controversy, and Warhol himself became a pop culture icon. His unique style, complete with leather jackets, sunglasses, and a penchant for eccentric wigs, mirrored the audacity of his art. It was a period of notoriety and creative fervor, leaving an indelible mark on the trajectory of contemporary art. As the 1960s unfolded, Warhol's factory became a cultural epicenter, a space where creativity knew no boundaries and artistic conventions were shattered. The legacy of this era transcends the confines of traditional art, representing a transformative moment in the evolution of creative expression. Andy Warhol's foray into the realm of film during the late 1960s marked a peculiar and controversial chapter in his storied career. Known for his avant-garde approach to art, Warhol approached filmmaking with the same iconoclastic spirit that defined his visual creations. Warhol's films were unconventional, often pushing the boundaries of traditional cinematic norms. One of his most notable works, Empire, presented a 6-hour static shot of the Empire State Building. This experimental film challenged the audience's perception of time and endurance, reflecting Warhol's penchant for disrupting established artistic conventions. Amidst the avant-garde cinematic experiments, one of Warhol's most infamous films was a simple yet provocative portrayal of him eating a hamburger. This seemingly banal act, captured on film, served as a testament to Warhol's ability to extract meaning from the ordinary and make a statement about the nature of celebrity and consumption. The controversial nature of Warhol's films extended beyond their unconventional content. In 1968, Warhol faced a life-threatening event when Valerie Solanas, a radical feminist and aspiring playwright, shot him at the factory. The incident, fueled by Solanas's radical ideology and a desire for attention, added a dark layer to Warhol's celebrity. After 6 hours of surgery, Warhol miraculously survived the assassination attempt, underscoring the unpredictability and volatility of the art world during that era. The shooting left an indelible mark on Warhol's life and work, adding a layer of controversy to his already enigmatic persona. Warhol's films, though often misunderstood and divisive, developed a cult following, contributing to his status as a boundary-pushing artist. His exploration of time, mundane acts, and the intersection of art and life in the medium of film showcased his commitment to challenging established norms, ensuring that even in the realm of cinema, Warhol remained a disruptor and provocateur. In the later years of his illustrious career, Andy Warhol continued to defy artistic boundaries, leaving an indelible mark on the world of contemporary art. As the 1970s unfolded, Warhol found inspiration in unconventional mediums, experimenting with oxidation paintings that utilized chemical reactions involving urine, acid, and metal paint. This period of creative exploration showcased Warhol's unwavering commitment to pushing artistic frontiers. Warhol's legacy extended beyond his avant-garde artistry to encompass religious paintings, including a memorable interpretation of The Last Supper in 1987. However, in the same year, tragedy struck, as Warhol underwent gallbladder surgery and succumbed to complications arising from an irregular heartbeat, passing away in his sleep at the age of 58. Posthumously, Warhol's impact endures, as his extensive collection, including paintings and collectibles, fetched over $20 million in a Christie's auction. His work remains among the most sought after in the art world, with pieces like Silver Car Crash Double Disaster reaching staggering prices. Warhol's legacy is not merely confined to monetary value, but lies in his ability to capture and redefine the culture of his time, forcing the world to stop, think, and perceive reality through a lens of creative brilliance. Andy Warhol, the master artist and cultural provocateur, remains an immortal figure, with his influence reverberating through the corridors of artistic innovation.